Good morning. So it is 10:26 a.m. and I'm resting my arm. Well, the heat pack. I'm resting with the heat pack on my chest and neck. Because I'm in pain. So it'll be kind of a lay back kind of day, which would be nice. Yay! Man, come on, you ready to go potty?
I hate that feeling.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
But I actually pee.
Say hi!
Hi!
I did a close-up for you. Everybody's ready to go potty! Potty!
Nothing.
Mommy's gotta get her sneakers on. Ah! Gonna fall over.
Oh, I didn't know you had a scar on your side.
Oh, you have never seen that?
No?
Yeah.
That's freaking cool.
That one cost me like $50. It shouldn't have, but it did. See me? Are you sitting or do you gotta go potty?
I think she's going potty.
Oh, yep, she was going potty. Awesome. Good girl, see me? Good girl. In her cute little winter jacket.
Here's my kid's phone.
Yeah. Wait, I see it. There's 2 of them. Holy cow, 3 of them. Look at them. Do you see them? Look at them all. Look at them. It's formation, man. There's 4 of them. 4 of them. Bad time for you to go out of focus, darn you. Holy crap, I was hoping. Yeah, we're on our way back from Jamestown. It's it's her vlog. Whatever. Gotcha was talking to me earlier. When she said, hey, didn't go to work today, and she was talking to her vlog, and I'm like, what? Yep. When she said, hey. Yeah, I didn't go to work today. I'll turn you around so you can see me. Yep, I didn't go to work today because I've been in a lot of pain and I'm still feeling dizzy and at times and nauseous. And I moved up my follow-up doctor's appointment from Thursday to tomorrow because I want to know if I have a head injury, and that's why I'm getting dizzy and nauseous. Yeah. Not fun.